it's I can be famous on Instagram. Egg salad. Can't save it. How's that for pretty? Number one. Oh, that was me. You're welcome. Sorry, that was me. What happened? So let's maneuver some. Let's try that again. In the long run. And two. On the real. Excuse me. Mural? That's very frustrating. That's on YouTube. It's on my second channel. Texans Tuesday did not pan out. Anyways, I mean, I'm gonna go with the teeth there because that's fucking pissed. Team do you follow? I think it's obvious. The goddamn Celtics. Good. Why I like, you know, pipes and not like cigars, you know what I mean?